How to share notes with one person on Instagram. So first off is to launch your Instagram application. Then tap on the message icon which is found on the upper right corner. And then tap your profile icon. And now type in the message that you want to send. So to share this to a specific person, all you need to do is tap on the text which says followers that you follow back. And then choose close friends. And then tap on add people. Now from here, you can select the accounts that you want to receive your message by tapping the circle beside their username. So you can select one or more person to send your message. So if you're having a difficult time navigating the account, you can just use the search bar found above. So once you're done selecting, tap on the Done button. Then hit the Share button seen on the upper right corner. And so that is how you share notes with one person on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.